So in this clip, we'll actually be doing the neti technique. I've filled the neti pot with body temperature water, filtered water, and I'm going to add some sea salt. And depending on the size of your neti, and also just depending on how sensitive you are, the amount of sea salt will vary. I usually put a good, 10-second sprinkle. And then you're going to want to shake it up. The salinity of your water should be about what your tears taste like. So that's about the appropriate salinity of your body. And then this next step might be a little freaky, but it's totally safe and totally easy. You just position the nozzle, in one nostril, and you tilt your head so it's about on the horizon. And you can see that the water pours in one nostril and out the other. And I can totally talk and totally breathe. You just give it a good flow. You might feel some pressure in your ears. And then when it's time to change sides, you want to give a little blow from the side that you poured out first. I blow out that side. And then I would do the other side. The sensation is not much different from getting water up your nose at the pool. And then so you might have some tissues handy. When you do the blowing through one nostril at a time after the water, you might see some mucus and some stuff coming out, especially if you're congested already. Then getting the nasal passages dry is also important. So we'll look at some breathing techniques in the next clip to show you how to do that.